Sicon Barcoding and Warehousing is aimed at businesses requiring a real-time understanding of their stock and order processing procedures. With a high level of integration across Sage 200 and other Sicon modules, plus a great range of devices available to choose from, this solution will appeal to a broad range of client requirements. Based on an Android platform, the standard functionality required in a typical Sage 200 customer warehouse is delivered via an intuitive, highly functional interface. By using existing stock information already held in the core Sage database, this ensures a single view of stock movements and transactions, whilst making the implementation of Sicon Barcoding and Warehousing much more efficient. With Sage 200 Report Designer supporting many barcode formats, the production of labels further simplifies customer warehouses. Key features. Fully integrated with Sage 200. Sicon Barcoding and Warehousing is written within the Sage 200 development environment using the Sage business objects and utilising the latest Microsoft technologies for user interface. Real-time data availability. Integration with Sage 200 and the Sicon modules is in real time, with the handheld devices communicating directly with Sage 200 using Web API technology. This means there are no external databases to set up and maintain, and no data to synchronize or go out of synchronization. Easy to use. The Android app provides a modern, intuitive interface designed to be user-friendly and easily adoptable for warehouse operatives. Key benefits. Quicker and more accurate stock picking resulting in fewer returns. Live updates into Sage 200 when receipting and moving stock leads to improved stock accuracy and real-time visibility. Full integration with Sage 200 stock take for quick and accurate stock taking with no manual updates of counts. Seamlessly works alongside other Sicon additions. Examples include Sicon projects for issues and returns, Sicon works orders for picking and building assemblies, and Sicon distribution for receipting containers of stock at goods in. Simple inspection functionality ensures specified stock items can be passed or failed during goods receipt. This is just a sample of the functionality that's available. For more information, please refer to our website www.sicon.co.uk.